Earn from $10 to $1,000 a day with crypto. The ultimate guide. Welcome back, crypto scholars. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been eager to explore: how to earn from $10 to $1,000 a day with crypto. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto enthusiast, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to boost your earnings. So, let's jump right in. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Understanding the crypto landscape. Before we delve into the strategies, it's important to understand the crypto landscape. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that utilize cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of additional units. The market is highly volatile, offering both incredible opportunities and risks. Building a strong foundation. The first step towards earning significant profits is to build a strong foundation. Here are a few key aspects to focus on. Research. Educate yourself about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the underlying projects. Stay updated with the latest news and trends in the crypto space. Risk management. Understand the importance of managing risks. Set a budget for your investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Wallets and exchanges. Familiarize yourself with different wallets and exchanges to securely store and trade your cryptocurrencies. Choose reputable platforms with robust security measures. Investment strategies. Now let's explore some investment strategies that can help you earn from $10 to $1,000 a day. Day trading. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within short time frames to capitalize on price fluctuations. It requires careful analysis, technical indicators, and chart patterns to make informed trading decisions. Swing trading. Swing trading involves holding cryptocurrencies for a few days to weeks, aiming to capture medium-term price movements. This strategy requires analyzing market trends, news, and fundamental factors. Staking and masternodes. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking and masternode opportunities, where you can earn passive income by holding and validating network transactions. Research projects with these features and evaluate their potential returns. ICOs and token sales. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales can provide early access to promising projects. However, thorough research and due diligence are crucial to identify legitimate opportunities. Additional income streams. Apart from direct trading and investments, there are other ways to generate income in the crypto space. Mining. Mining involves verifying and adding transactions to a blockchain, earning rewards in the form of new coins. Depending on the cryptocurrency, mining can be done with specialized hardware or by joining mining pools. Freelancing. Leverage your skills and offer services in the crypto industry. You can find opportunities in content creation, marketing, coding, and more. Platforms like Freelancer and Upwork often have crypto-related projects available. Affiliate marketing. Promote crypto products and services through affiliate marketing. Earn commissions for each referral or successful transaction made through your unique affiliate links. Managing your earnings. As your earnings grow, it's essential to manage and secure your funds effectively. Consider the following. Diversification. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different cryptocurrencies and projects to minimize risk. Hardware wallets. Consider using hardware wallets to store your crypto assets securely. These physical devices provide an extra layer of protection against online threats. Tax obligations. Be aware of the tax regulations in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrency earnings. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance. And there you have it, crypto scholars. By following these strategies and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of earning from $10 to $1,000 a day with crypto. Remember, it's crucial to continue learning and adapting to the ever-evolving crypto landscape. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy crypto earnings!